Hi everyone. Hi people. Uh, can I get a confirmation in the chat box regarding the sounds? Am I loud and clear? All okay? Perfect. Make it fast, people. Make it fast. Quickly give me an update. Good. So let's get into the last question of the chapter that we started, people, last week, which is the not-for-profit organizations. In that one, people, we learn. I told you mainly we'll be focusing on two things. One is the cash receipt and payment account. Other one is the income statement. So we learn how to record the cash receipts and payments in the cash receipt and payment account. Whatever the cash receipts, debit side, cash payments, credit side, same as the cash book. No difference. Then we move to the income statement, people. If they have given a question, by giving the cash receipt, and if they are asking you to prepare the income statement, what you should do is first you have to prepare the cash receipt account. Then from the cash receipt account, second, I told you, you have to find out whatever the things connected with the income and expenses. Then you have to record the income and expenses. As the third step only, I ask you to do the adjustments. As the third step only, I ask you to do the adjustments. So these are the steps that I ask you to follow. If they have given the cash receipt and payment account, identify the income and expenses and record the income and expenses in the income statement, then move to the adjustments. So here also we'll do the same, people. They have given the cash receipt and payment account they have given. So first thing that you have to do, identify the income and expenses, then record it. After that, whatever the adjustments that you have, you can do it afterwards. So subscription, people, it is something connected with the income. Let's see, can we use this one or not? Because to find the subscription, we learn two methods. Rent in the ground, that means you have given the ground for the rent for someone. Income, ticket sales is connected with income. Stationaries connected with expenses. Renovation of the ground connected with the expenses. Rates connected with the expenses. Salaries and wages connected with the expenses. Electricity connected with the expenses. Match expenses connected with the expenses. So here they have given the income and expenses, people, and they have given few other adjustments. We'll write down these basic values first. Then we'll move to the adjustments. So start writing it, people. What is the organization? Shakti Sports Club. Shakti Sports Club. Question number 30. Income statement for the year ended 31st December 20XX. You have to record your income and expenses. Subscription fees, renting the ground, ticket sales. inside the brackets, I asked you to write the values, because we might have adjustments, no? We might have adjustments. 12,870. 22,500. 7,300. Expenses. Stationery 1,100. Renovation of the ground 1,600. Rate 6,600. Salaries and wages 11,200. Electricity 2,400. Match expenses 3,500. Okay. So we are done with the base things, people. So we recorded everything. Next, we have to do the adjustments. Now we have to do the adjustments. Quickly finish it, people. Taggal ඉවර කරන්න. Okay. Now let's move to the adjustments. Annual membership fee is 400. 12 members have not paid their subscription fee. So people, last week we learned two methods to calculate the subscription fee. So let me show it to you. Here, first method or second method. In this one, people, we have to go to the second method. Cash received, cash not yet received. A method එකට තමයි අපිට යන්න වෙන්නේ. So total subscription fees income equal cash received plus cash not yet received. Not yet received means to be received. To be received. We will receive it. So here cash received amount is there, people. මෙතන දීලා තියෙනවානේ. Here cash received 12,870. That's what we wrote it here. 12,870. And they have given in the question 12 members not yet paid. 400 each. So 400 each. 12 members තාම ගෙවලා නැහැ. Then here 12,870 plus here 12 means 4,800. Then here we are getting a value of 17,670. 17,670. That is the total income. So you are not required to do this much of workings, people. If you directly go and write here 4,800, that's enough. Then you are getting that total 17,670. 17,670. Okay. Now we'll move to the next adjustment. This is done. The value of the sport equipments beginning 64,200. End of the period value has decreased to 58,800. So what has happened, people? Opening value 64,200. Closing value, end of the period, closing value 58,800. 58,800. So value of this, what is this? Sports equipment. Value of the sports equipment has been reduced. Value of the sports equipment has been reduced. It has been reduced by how much, Lamai? It has been reduced by how much? Here it has been reduced by 1,200, 5,400. Check it. The value has been reduced by 5,400. 6,400 worth sports equipment has gone down to 58,800. 58,800 worth aduela. 64,200 worth items. This reduction has happened because of what, people? Why the sports equipment values have decreased? Why these values have decreased? What can be the reason? When you are starting, the value was 64,200. End of the year, 58,800. 5,400 value reduction has happened. This is because of the depreciation. Depreciation of sports equipments. Depreciation is an expense. So we'll record it. Depreciation of sports equipments. 5,400. 5,400. That is also done. Next. Taxes and rates payable. Payable. Not yet paid, Lamai. Not yet paid. So whatever the amount that we wrote over here, whatever the amount, 6,600 that we wrote over here, eka gewapu gana vitarai. Only the amount that we paid. Here they are clearly stating another 800 we have to pay. We have to pay. Tama gewala naha. So in total, your total is 7,400. That is the total expense. Eking 6,600 gewala thiyenne. Out of that only 6,600 only you have paid. But the 800 have to pay. But the total cost for the period 7,400. That is also done. Income received in advance. For the ground, for the sports ground. So here people, they have given for the rent in the ground, we got 22,500. But out of that 2,500 is for the next year. Out of that 2,500 is for the next year. So for this year only how much? 20,000. For this year only 20,000. So we are done with all the adjustments. Now we'll find the final values, people. $17,670, 20,000, 7,300. Then what's the total income, Lamai? How much is the total income? 17,670 plus 20,000 plus 7,300. 44,970. 44,970. Here stationery 1,100. Here 1,600. Here 7,400. Here 11,200. 2,400. 3,500. 5,400. Can I get the total expenses? 1,100 plus 1,600 plus 7,400 plus 11,200 plus 2,400 plus 3,500 plus 5,400. 32,600, right? Good. 32,600. Then here, what's the difference? 44,970 plus 32 minus 32,600, 12,370. මේකට අපි කියනවාද profit කියලා ළමයි? Are we writing this one as profit? If you write it as profit, people, wrong, huh? Wrong. In not-for-profit organizations, good. You have surplus. Surplus. Profits කියන්නේ surplus. Losses කියන්නේ deficit. Profits, surplus, losses, deficit in not-for-profit organizations. Do not forget it. Do not forget it. So quickly finish, people, with that. We are done with that chapter. Done. Good.